Hello everyone, I am Ria from Technovita and today we are going to show you how to start selling on Flipkart in the easiest way possible. Whether you are a newbie or a seasoned seller, we are here to make this journey exciting and effortless for you. So, if you're thinking about selling your products on Flipkart, whether it's fashion, electronics, or anything else, you're at the right place. We believe in you and we're here to guide you through every step of the way at the Technovita Solutions. Our video is split into three simple parts. In the part 1, we will help you to create your seller account, that is a piece of cake. Part 2 is where we will explain you how to list your product with ease, connecting you to potential buyers effortlessly. In our part 3, we will share effective strategies to promote your business on Flipkart, giving your sales a boost. So, whether you are just starting or looking for fresh insights, join us in this straightforward journey as we uncover all the secrets to start selling on Flipkart. Let's get going. Part 1, How to create the seller account. Step 1, If you want to create a seller account on Flipkart, you will need to go to the Google. Once you're on Google, type Flipkart seller account. In the research bar, then simply click on the search button. When you click on the search button, you will see that the official website appears as the first result on Google. It's the seller.flipkart.com. If you want to become a seller on Flipkart, you can click on this link. When you click on the official website of Flipkart Seller, you will arrive at the Flipkart Seller's official homepage. You will see the URL is seller.flipkart.com. If you want to become a Flipkart seller, you can click on the top right corner, that is Start Selling. There are certain requirements to create a seller account on Flipkart that you need to fulfill. First is you need to give a GST number which you can obtain from the Indian government. Second, you will also need a bank account. Third, and of course, you need the products to sell. Step 2. Now it's time to enter your email. It's important to know that if you're planning to sell anything other than the books, you will need to provide your GST, that is Goods and Services Tax Identification Number. However, if you're exclusively selling books, you won't require a GST number. Your PAN card, that is the permanent account number details, would suffice. In case you don't have a GST number, you can seek your assistance from a chartered accountant to obtain one for your business. Alternatively, if you're in need of guidance, you can reach out to us via the contact number displayed on the screen. We are here to help you every step of the way. After filling up all the details, click on the button Register and Continue. In the third step, you will create a strong and secure password for your seller account. This password will be your key to access and manage your Flipkart seller account. You also need to mention your full name and a link to your business to make sure it's both unique and memorable. Then click on the button Continue. Step number 4. The final step involves the verification of your email address to ensure the security of your seller's account. Additionally, you need to upload a digital signature and provide your designated pickup address. This step is crucial to complete the setup of your Flipkart seller account. Congratulations! Now you have successfully created your Flipkart seller account and it's time to list your products and start exciting journey in the world of e-commerce. Part 2. In the part 2, we will get to know how to list your products. When it comes to listing your products on Flipkart, you have two options. Option number 1, matching with the existing products. If similar product is already listed on Flipkart, you can effortlessly link your product with the existing product. In this way, you can make your product live on the platform without having to create a separate listing. Option number 2, if no similar product is listed, you need to add a new product. And to add a new product, follow these simple steps. Step number 1, after logging into the seller account, head to the listing and click on My Listing page. Step 2, select Add New Listing, then choose Add a New Single Listing. Step 3, you can manually select your product by picking the relevant category and vertical, or simply enter your product category in the search box. Step number 4, next you need to click on the Select Brand button and input the brand name. For selling branded products, ensure that you need to have the brand approval letter. Keep in mind that not all the brands on Flipkart are open to all the sellers, and some require brand approvals. Step number 5. For non-branded products, you can use your own brand name to sell. After getting the brand approval, press Continue. Step number 6. Fill in your product details, including the product image, price, stock, shipping information, product description, and additional details. Make sure all the information is accurate and comprehensive to help buyers make the informed decision. Step number 7. Ensure that all the comply with Flipkart's images guidelines before uploading the product image. Step number 8. Once all the information is entered, click Save. Step number 9. Review the product details. If everything is in order, you will see a green tick. Last step, that is step number 10. Now click on Send the QC to complete the listing process. Part number 3. Advertising your products on Flipkart. In this part, we'll dive into the world of Flipkart advertising and show you how to create your very own campaign. You already know the significance of advertising on Flipkart, but how do you get started? It's quite straightforward. You need to create a Flipkart advertising campaign. To begin, there are three key points to check. First is ensure your product images comply with the category mandates. Second, price your products competitively with your category against other websites. Third, verify that the products you intend to advertise have sufficient inventory. If all these criteria are met, you're all set to create your campaign. Creating a campaign on Flipkart involves three simple steps. However, before you commence, make sure to fund your campaign by topping up your wallet with the required funds. You can add funds through cash on delivery wallet or net banking to fuel your campaigns. Now, with your campaign funds in place, let's start the journey. The first step in creating a campaign is selecting the product listing you want to advertise. You can do this manually or use the system recommended SKUs. To select listing manually, you can either pick up each product individually or upload the CSV file. Filters available under the manual option help you to narrow down your product listings by category, selling price, stock count, and the date added. This makes it easier to choose your products to promote. If you opt to upload the CSV file, you can download the template. Add the listing IDs you want to create a campaign for and upload it. Please note that you can add maximum of 2000 listings using this method. Alternatively, you can choose the system recommended SKUs. The system will automatically display recommended listings for your campaign. You can uncheck all the listings you do not wish to include. But please remember that you cannot add more listing in this option once the campaign is created. However, you can add more listing later by editing your campaign. After selecting and listing, choose the type of campaign you want, that is CPC or Smart ROI campaign. Proceed to the second step, where you set all the duration and budget. The third and final step of the campaign creation is to review the campaign details and submit. Basic details summarize the campaign, while the products and budget sections provide details about the CPC bids and budget caps, if any. The payment breakdown displays the breakup of fee details and the effective budget excluding tax. If all the campaign details are accurate and in order, click on Pay and Create Campaign. Congratulations, your Flipkart advertising campaign is now live and ready to go into action. If you encounter any challenges while promoting your product, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We're just a call away from you. Dial the number given on the screen and connect with us. We're here to assist you in running your effective advertisement and boost your sales. If you have any further question or inquiry, comment down and we will reply to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get the high quality content to boost your sales.